Someone has just destroyed our lift. I'm gonna go see. So right at the bottom of the stair, right before I open the door, there's a poo stain across the wall. That is literally poo. My neighbour used to shit in the stair, wipe it on the walls, and he would also inject in the stair, smear blood on the walls, and leave his dirty needles. And one day he was walking behind me, and then I stopped and turned around, and I got stabbed by his dirty needle, and I had to go for an AIDS test. It was fucking terrifying. He is a disgusting bastard. Jesus fucking Christ. What the actual hell?
Please remain calm. The alarm has been activated and lift services are about to be contacted.
What? Make a phone call. Where the where's the ringing coming from? Ah! Jesus Christ. That wasn't me. I'm filming it for the house mobster. Hello? Hello? Is that the call thing? I'm really confused. Yeah, someone's ripped all the buttons off the lift. It's on the floor and the alarm's going off. Someone's ripped all the buttons off the lift. Jesus Christ. Yeah, I give up. I'm gonna make a phone call.